Hi, my name is Nick, and we recently got back from the AABB, American Association of Blood Banks Conference in San Diego, and one of the most common applications that we heard for temperature monitoring was validating coolers used for inter-hospital shipments or from collection sites, donation sites back to the hospital. And so we thought it would be a good idea to kind of highlight this application and show you our solution for data logging in this application. Our product is the report logger. It's this little yellow guy here, and it's really nifty for this type of application. It has a standard USB for downloading. It has a black start button that lets the logger start recording. It has a user replaceable battery, so when the battery dies, it's just a quick, easy, simple change. And then up here in the corner is the temperature sensor. To kind of show you this application, we have a cooler here that we can use for blood transportation. We, in this scenario, have our cooler filled with vaccines. And to kind of show you how you might mount it inside the cooler, we're using some two-sided Velcro tape. So we put half that Velcro tape on the logger itself, and then the other side of that Velcro tape on the inside of the cooler. And it's really quite simple. You just kind of click it in place here and mount it in so it looks kind of like this, and then close your cooler up. You're ready for your shipment. It goes off, up to the OR or over to the pharmacy, and when it gets there, you just open up the cooler, take it off, and then you head right over to your computer. We have a computer station set up over here. I'll show you kind of what that software would look like. Like I said, it's a standard USB, so it goes in any USB slot. And you'll get a screen that pops up here that kind of shows you that logger. When that screen pops up, you're going to see that there's a open file, so you're just going to click on that, and then you're going to see the data logger, and you just double click there. Then the software itself is going to pop up on the screen, and when it does pop up on the screen, you're going to see your temperature over time. So on the left side of the chart, you have your temperature readings, and on the bottom is the number of hours or days that you logged. The red line on the top is the high temperature during that shipment, and the blue line on the bottom is the low temperature during your shipment. On the bottom of the screen, you'll see a notes section. This is where you can write any notes like shipment to the OR. And on the top here, we have a couple of choices. You can write your report title. So this could be Shipment 1. And next to that, you can see you can export this. So one of the nice features about this export is the type of report that you get. And we're going to save this one as a PDF. We're going to save it to the desktop. And we're going to call this temp data 1. Go ahead and save that, and then when you're done, you're going to have a PDF report on your desktop. Double click on that, and this shows you in more detail the actual report. First of all, you get the name, the serial number of the logger, and the interval or the time period that you were logging. You get a high temperature and low temperature rating, and you also get the average temperature during that shipment. It gives you the current state of the logger, so right now we're not recording, and an estimated battery life, so we still have 100% of our battery. On the bottom, you can see our notes. It says the shipment to the OR. Those are the ones that we plugged in on the earlier screen. And then on the bottom is the actual graph. And this is super simple to either email to someone as a PDF attachment or to print out and keep in your documents. If we go back to the actual software, the next thing that we can do is print a screen, which is just the basic graph itself. If that's all you need, you can print that right off. And then if you want to clear the logger, you just hit this button right here. Clearing the logger will then allow you to use it again, and then exit. And then right next to that is our battery indicator, so it shows you as the report showed that there's 100% left. If we exit out of the software, we pull the logger out of the USB. We're now ready to use the data logger in another application. So I hope you enjoyed our video on our report logger and using it to track shipments. If you're interested in purchasing them, you can visit us on the website at www.dicksondata.com, or you can give us a call at 1-800 323-2448. Thanks again. Have a great day.